click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel.
Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Apple ID sign out grade issue on iPhone and iPad. As you can see, we cannot sign out our Apple ID because it's grayed out, so we need to remove restriction first. In settings, go to screen time, then turn off screen time. If it will ask for restriction code, then type your restriction code and turn it off. As you can see now, sign out is highlighted. Now you can sign out your Apple ID.